you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Alright guys, we're back with another video. Today we'll be unboxing Timpano bass 5000 watt amplifier. I give y'all the exact product number or whatnot. Of course, I'm gonna leave a link down below. Won't cost you anything extra to pick it up. Of course, this package pretty good. You got the bubble wrap. Just the box, more bubble wrap on it in the box. Of course, you got the amplifier here. Then you got this coupon code. You can get 10% off your next purchase. Car Audio 10 using code Car Audio 10 on Timpano website. But let's go ahead and keep this going. And this amp right here, they do make another amp, just a regular, I think it's like a TPT. I don't know the exact number, but it's not the bass version of it. But we're gonna get into this one right here for today. The TPT-Bass 5000 is the product number right there, as y'all can see. It's called audio subwoofer amplifiers. You can see all that on there. We got the RCA input, ultra low frequency, subsonic and LPS variable controls. It's a Class D amplifier, 1 channel. Of course, y'all can see everything right there in the box. So y'all want to pause anything to make it where you'll be able to see. Of course, you got everything. I'm gonna show y'all all of this once I get it out of there, out of the box. The output is mono minimum speaker cable. I don't know if y'all can see all of this. It's 10 gauge and 0 gauge copper wire for power and ground. Do not wire this amp below its recommended impedance. Warranty will be voided if ran below ohm load. So this amp right here, you want to run it at 1 ohm. You don't want to go anything below. They tell you that, so no, if you do that, they probably won't cover it. It is a made in Brazil amplifier. I have used these amplifiers before. They are a great amp, so I'm just giving y'all a little information on what I know and what I've seen. They're very budget friendly. So if you're looking for something like that and you want to stay on a certain budget, you might want to look into getting one of these. I'm not sponsored or anything like that to say this or nothing, so I'm just giving y'all a video as I usually do. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on the back. Let me see if I can bring this up. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but if y'all can, y'all would be able to, I'm gonna try to get a screenshot of this right here. That way I can just stick it up here on the screen. That way y'all can see it. Okay, the minimum output impedance is 1 ohm. Number of channels, 1. So you got power output, 5200 watts at RMS at 1 ohm, 2900 watts RMS at 2 ohms. Impedance sensitivity, 200. Signal to noise ratio, 90 dB. Of course, y'all got the frequency response, 1 ohm and negative 3 dB. Flat off is 5 hertz to 250 hertz. Flat on, 5 hertz to 600 hertz. You can run this straight through the DSP. You could turn the there's a switch on it, which we'll get to that in a minute. So once I get out the box, y'all will be able to see it. Like I said, I'm gonna put all this up here so y'all will be able to see it. It's not a very big amp. It's 3 by 9 by 12. Well, we're gonna say 3 by 10 by 13. Just go ahead and estimate to give you a little extra room. 8.87 pounds. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. I'm gonna try to get that up there so y'all hopefully it's focusing enough where y'all can see it. But if not, like I said, I'm gonna throw it up on the screen. All right, so there you go. You got there's all that's in the box. So we got the amp. It has a glossy finish on it. You get a Timpano sticker right here. You get the manual, the one for the bass 5000 and the bass 3000. They do make this up to 8000, I think. But as y'all can see, it has the plastic wrap around it. And it has like a plastic around there to keep the terminals in, because y'all know sometimes the terminals, the set screws come out and go everywhere. It does have the fans on it. I have heard the fans. Well, I haven't heard the fans because you can't hear them. They're real quiet, so that's a plus. So they do have fans on them. Right here on this side, let me turn it around. Y'all might not be able to see that. But power, protection, the clip, it doesn't come with a remote wire. I mean, not a remote wire, excuse me. It doesn't come with a bass remote. You got your input left and right. You got your level, subsonic, LPF, bass, frequency, bass boost, or whatnot. Of course, y'all see the flat on and off switch right here beside the speakers. It's got big terminals for the speakers, so you can run a good size wire in there, maybe like a 4 gauge. Something like that. Definitely 8. But has the flat on and off. You want to turn that on if you want to run this through the DSP. So that may be an option for you. This thing is in the plastic right now, but it is like a glossy finish. So, you know, it'll look real good, you know, in your build or whatnot. So has 2 positive, 2 negative inputs, holds 0 gauge. I like how they have them both on the left, you know, beside each other instead of just, you know, so both of the positives are on the left side and both of the negatives on the right side. And then they got the remote right in the middle. So, like I said, I like how they got that to keep me from almost touching one with the other one and so forth and so on. But has these little plastic tabs right here. I think it's metal within the inside right here. I don't even know if the camera's focusing, but it's metal within the inside, but it's like a plastic right here on the outside. It doesn't have fans or any kind of cooling on the bottom because it's on the end. So I guess that's a plus. Just a metal aluminum back. So, you know, it's something you want to, you know, look into getting. Like I say, it is a budget friendly option if you want to get one. So I'm gonna leave the link down below. Won't cost y'all anything extra to support the channel. Just a quick video of the Timpano bass 5,000 watt amplifier. Just an unboxing video just to show y'all the different product on the channel for a change. Just to show y'all something different at an affordable option. So this is just something we're doing. Of course, there will be more videos coming soon of different things. So be sure to like, subscribe, and use the links down below. Go to Car Audio Connect to pick up anything you may need car audio related. Discount codes on the site. What else? I'm trying to find out something else I can tell y'all. Just hit the notification bell and be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's a lot of viewers not subscribed to the channel, which is great. I like y'all watching the videos either way, but it'll help me out a whole lot more if y'all subscribe to the channel and whatnot. So TPT bass 5,000 1 ohm amp, Timpano. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. It's a Brazilian made amp. I think it's pretty good. You know, I've seen it in action. I've actually used it before. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I'll see y'all back on the next one.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.